Hello guys, hope you are all doing great. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to change the weight and height of an image with ChatGPT. Are you ready? Let's get started. First, you should open your browser and log in into chatgpt.com. Then after that, you should upload your image which you want to change the weight and height. Okay. So I have an original image. As you can see, the width is 1280 and the height is 720. So how to change that, the width and height? So let's select the image, upload it here, okay, and change the width 500 and the height also 500. And enter it. Okay, so easy. You can change the width and height of an image using ChatGPT. And there are many websites if you want to apply for a scholarship, for any visa, they request you to upload an image with the weight and height. Okay, so you can change the weight and height of an image very easy with ChatGPT. So let's check it out, save it, okay, and I'm going to download folder. As you can see, this one is the original one and this one is the resize. As you can see, the dimensions is 500 weight and height. So easy, you can change the width and height of an image using ChatGPT. That's it guys. Hope you will like it. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. See you in the next video.